After our first video on World Bank, this video is made on demand of our genuine subscribers. Career in World Bank is a dream for many professionals dedicated to international development. It combines with best packages and meaningful work that can help millions of people. Having in-depth knowledge is halfway to success. Now let's see clearly how to get job in World Bank, what are the eligibility criteria, and when the internship notifications are released in detailed and simplified manner. Requirements to work in World Bank. Educational requirements. Candidates who are willing to participate in internship programs of World Bank should complete Masters or PhD. Different academic backgrounds have different jobs. Some important areas of higher demands are economics, finance, human development, social sciences, agriculture, environment, private sector development, communications, technology, legal, human resources, accountings, etc. Language requirements include fluency in English and also command in any one of the World Bank Group's working languages. It is not necessarily required, but it is a best qualification. No maximum age restriction is available. And nationality. Applicants should be a member of World Bank Group country. Personal professional experience. It is not mandatory, but having an experience is a greater advantage. Restrictions. Applicant should not be a child or sibling of any other World Bank staff manager. Now let's see our application process. There are two application periods for World Bank internships: summer internships and winter internships. In summer internships, applications are open between December 1st and January 31st. Bank managers averagely receive 5,000 applications during the summer internships. It is more popular and more vacancies are available here. During winter internships, applications opens between October 1st and 31st. Bank managers averagely receive 2,000 to 4,000 applications. It is less popular and low number of vacancies are available at this period. How to apply for World Bank internship programs? It is through World Bank Group's e-requirement website. It initially starts with applicant creating new account or login with already existing account. After filling the World Bank internship application form along with candidate contact information and data of personal and academic information, documents are uploaded. Selection process to the World Bank internship program. Selection process varies in various departments. After creating a profile and submitting through online application, evaluation of application by bank managers are done. Based on the competition, only few selected applicants are selected and selection notifications are sent. During selection process, the influence and recommendations of the World Bank staff or professors or researchers could work. Therefore, it is an additional benefit if you have contacts before. Interview. Only selected candidates are called for interview through phone call or Skype video call. It is of general speaking and the questions mainly focus on to demonstrate your knowledge and bank's operation and also your behavioral questions. After the job is offered to you, the documents needed to be submitted are curriculum vitae, World Bank internship statement of interest, the proof of graduate degree program you have done in English or your native language. If you like my explanation, hit like and subscribe buttons.